Hello friends, my name is As. I am studying 10th standard in Model School Sivangai. Today I am going to explain about coordinate geometry in real life. Before we going to see about some examples of coordinate geometry, first now we see what is coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is also known as Christian geometry. It is helps to you find the distance between 2 points whose coordinates are given. A coordinate geometry is a branch of the geometry where the position of the point on the planes is defined with the help of the order pair of numbers, also known as coordinates. Now we see some examples of coordinate geometry. Describing a position, location of air transport, longitude and latitude, military service, economics, well, map projects and buildings, etc. are coordinate geometry are using in real life. Thank you. Now we learned about quantum geometry.
My name is Krithika. I am studying in Mount Litra G School, Sivangai in class 10. Guys, let's see about coordinate geometries uses in our daily lives. The first uses of the coordinate geometry in our daily life is in photoshopping. When we go to a Photoshop, they ask the size, that means the pixel. The pixel means that usually in coordinate geometry by selecting the photos, and mainly it is usually in locating and useful for air transport, for locating the places or in which area the flight is going, and like a traffic light, it shows that how many flights are going in what direction, in what height. It shows in longitude and latitude. And as I said that longitude and latitude is mainly used in GPS for tracking the places where we want to go, destination where to be achieved. For that the coordinate geometry is very important. Finally, in making map, for map it is has been useful to find the areas and mark it. In map we use x-axis and y-axis for the map, so we can see the surface of the earth clearly by equator, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Thank you friends.
Hi friends, I am Amida from Grade 10 at Mount Ita Z Senior Secondary School in Sivangai. I am going to tell what are the places we are using coordinate geometry in real life. In air traffic, all the air traffic is controlled by air traffic controller. The controller must know the location of every aircraft at any particular instant of time in the sky. Even if an aircraft moves small distance up and down, forward or backward, here we are using coordinate geometry. And another one example is, if I go to Chennai to Mumbai, I have to know the shortest path between two cities can be calculated using coordinate geometry in maps. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am Minister Panem from Gate and Mount Litra J School Sivangai. Today's topic is where we will use coordinate geometry in real life. In a construction field, we are mainly using the coordinate geometry. The sketch of the building is pure geometry. When I instruct Google Maps to tell me the path from place A to place B, it basically finds the shortest possible path or paths and tell me the distance and time. Lots and lots of coordinate geometry is used in finding the shortest path and the distance between them. Obviously, there are other concepts involved too. It is used in MS Paint to draw curved and slant lines. It also made in use while developing a to specify the location of object and character.
Hi friends, I am Yoguru from grade 10, studying in Mount Litra J Senior Secondary School, Sivangai. Now I am going to tell about coordinate geometry and coordinate geometry in real life. Before we see some real life examples of coordinate geometry, we first see what is coordinate geometry. What is coordinate geometry? A coordinate geometry is a branch of geometry where the position of the points on the same plane is defined with the help of an ordered pair of numbers also known as coordinates. Coordinate geometry is one of the most important and exciting idea of mathematics. It provides a connection between algebra and geometry through graphs of lines and curves. This enables geometric problems to be solved algebraically and provides geometrical insights into algebra. Next, we are going to see one real life example how coordinate geometry is used in map projection. Map projection is a technique to map any 3D curved object on flat 2D surface. For example, to represent the curved surface of Earth on a flat map, this technique can be used. For this purpose, a special type of coordinate system is usually called as projected coordinate system. These are mainly used to represent the maps on computer screen. Both two-dimensional 2D and three-dimensional 3D Cartesian coordinate systems are helpful in describing shape of features and the geographic locations using x and y values. Horizontal x and vertical y are the two axes used in any 2D Cartesian coordinate system. Here, horizontal axis represent east-west and the vertical axis represent north-south direction. Here, the point of intersection is the origin. All the location of geographical objects are described relative to the origin only. Any point in Cartesian coordinate is denoted by x, y, where x refers to the distance along the horizontal axis and y refers to the distance along the vertical axis. The origin is defined as 0, 0. Now we learned about what is coordinate geometry and one real life examples of coordinate geometry. Thank you.